Your new Samsung TV has arrived, and now it's time to install the stand. First, some safety precautions. It's a good idea to have a friend help unbox the TV and hold it steady throughout the process, and make sure the television has a stable foundation. We'll position the panel horizontally in this video, but some panels will stand vertically, depending on the model. Also, be careful not to press too hard on the screen, and keep the protective padding in place until the end. Now, gather together the parts from the box and grab a Phillips head screwdriver. Remove the stand mount cover and set it to the side. Take the stand mount and align it to the stand base, sliding the tabs forward into the notches. Using 4 of the screws, secure the stand neck to the stand base. Next, attach the stand assembly to the rear of the panel by sliding the tabs into the slots and securing the stand to the TV using the remaining 4 screws. Now that the stand legs are fastened, move the TV into place with the help of a friend. Let's get the TV powered up. First, plug in the power cable to the back of the TV panel. For a seamless look, use the grooves to hide away the cable if your TV has them. And keep the cord nicely tucked away with the stand mount cover. Now that your installation is done, hook up your cable box, game consoles, home audio, and other gear. Plug in, hit the remote, and have a blast with your new TV.